Auto Updater is your ultimate destination for exploring classic and modern automobiles with in-depth reviews and expert insights. Our channel is dedicated to bringing car enthusiasts detailed breakdowns of iconic vehicles, and today, we present a timeless legend of the 1961 Ford Escort MK1. This classic beauty has left an indelible mark on automotive history, and in our latest video, we take a closer look at every component that makes it a masterpiece. The Ford Escort MK1, introduced in the early 1960s, quickly gained popularity for its sleek design, lightweight frame, and impressive handling. Our video takes you on a full 360-degree exploration of this legendary car, covering its exterior, interior, engine, and suspension system in detail. The Escort MK1 boasts a distinctive front grille, round headlights, and a streamlined body that exudes vintage charm. Its compact yet aggressive stance makes it a favorite among collectors and classic car lovers. Under the hood, the Escort MK1 was equipped with a range of engine options, from the standard 1.1 litres Kent engine to the high-performance 1.6 litres twin-cam variant. Our video provides a comprehensive look at the engine bay, explaining the key components that contribute to its reliability and performance. The carburetor, ignition system, and cooling mechanism are all examined to highlight their role in delivering smooth power output. Moving inside, the Escort MK1 features a classic dashboard layout with simple yet functional controls. The wooden steering wheel, analog dials, and minimalistic interior design reflect the era's automotive aesthetics. Our video showcases the seating arrangement, upholstery details, and the practicality of the cabin space. The suspension system of the MK1 is another key highlight, providing excellent ride comfort and handling. The combination of MacPherson struts at the front and leaf springs at the rear ensures stability on different road conditions. We also take a closer look at the braking system, wheels, and tires to give you a full understanding of this car's mechanical brilliance. If you love classic cars and detailed automotive content, Auto Updater is the perfect channel for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest videos and deep dives into automotive history.